Hello everyone! Before we start our lesson today, I want you to prepare your mini board, your markers, and your English books. Now let's start. Family and Friends, Grade 5, Semester 1, Unit 1, Places to Go, Lesson 1, Words. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify 8 new words about places and use 8 words about places accurately. Now let's read these words together. I want you to look at the first picture. Cafe. Repeat after me. Cafe. Look at the second picture. What can you see? Library. Again, library. Look at the third picture. Museum. One more time. Museum. Very nice. What can you see? Sports center. One more time. Sports center. Very good. Next. Shopping mall. Again. Shopping mall. What can you see? Playground. Repeat after me. Playground. Very good. Next. Swimming pool. Again, swimming pool. Very nice. Look at the last picture. Cinema. One more time. Cinema. Fantastic. Now let's start practicing together. Look at this picture. You have to choose the right word or the right phrase. You have 6 options to choose from. What do you think is this? Is it a museum? Yes, it's cinema. Very good. Next, look at the picture again. What do you think is this? Is it a shopping mall? No, it's a swimming pool. Very good. Now look at this picture. Is it a playground? I don't think so. It's a museum. Excellent. What about this one? Is it a cinema? It's a sports center. Excellent. Okay. In this activity, I want you to read this paragraph and then fill in the gaps with the words in red. You have 5 minutes. You can write your answers on your mini board. Start. Now let's check our answers. Let's read together. My name's Kate. I'm going to tell you about my plan for the weekend. First, I'm going to watch a film at the... Where do we usually watch a film? At the cinema. Very good. Then I'm going to buy a present for my friend's birthday from where do you buy things? From the shopping mall. Very good. On Saturday, I'm going to have my breakfast At the French, where can you eat? French cafe. Fantastic. Then I'm going to practice swimming skills in the, where can you swim? In the swimming pool. Very good. My sister Sally is going to play with her friends in the, where do you usually play? In the playground. Excellent. My brother likes reading, so he is going to go to the, where can you read books? To the library. Excellent. After that, he is going to have some exercises in the, where can you exercise? In the sports center. Very good. I think this weekend will be great. And you did a great job. Let's move on. Okay. In this activity, you have to write about what you usually do at each of the following places. So you have to read each question and then answer. If you write 4 to 5 words in your answer, you earn 1 star. If you write 6 to 7 words, you earn 2 stars. And if you write 8 to 9 words in your answer, you earn 3 stars. I know you can do it. And before you start writing, remember that you should start your sentences with capital letter, and you should end each sentence with a full stop, and you have to leave space between words. You have to check your spelling, and finally you have to write using the right grammar tense. You have 5 minutes. You can write your answers on your mini board. Start. Now let's check your answers. Number 1. What do you usually do at the library? This is a possible answer. You can say, I usually read comic books. Number 2. What do you usually do at the cafe? You can say, I usually drink coffee. Number 3. What do you usually do at the museum? You can say, I usually watch a film about Bahrain. Number 4. What do you usually do at the sports center? You can say, I usually play volleyball and football. Number 5. What do you usually do at the shopping mall? You can say, I usually buy new clothes. And finally, what do you usually do in the playground? You can say, I usually play with my friends. You did a great job. This time, I want you to look at the pictures and write a sentence about each picture. If you write 4 to 5 words in your sentence, you earn 1 star. If you write 6 to 7 words in your sentence, you earn 2 stars. And if you write 8 to 9 words in your sentence, you earn 3 stars. Yes. And before you start writing, I want you to go over the writing checklist. I'm sure at the end you will check all the boxes. You have 5 minutes to write. You can write your answers on your mini board. Start. Now let's check your answers. Let's look at possible answers. Look at the first picture. It's a museum. You can say, I'm going to the museum this evening. Look at the second picture. Lucy is going to watch a film at the cinema. About the swimming pool, you can say, Mike is going to swim in the swimming pool. The last one, he is going to study at the library. How many stars did you earn? 1, 2, or 3? You did a great job. This is the end of our lesson. I hope it was easy. See you soon.